This is the Mother's Day coffee we made today. We're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into a bowl. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And lastly, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now we are going to mix it with an electric mixer. Okay, and then I mixed for around 5 minutes, and then I decided it would be easier if I got a taller bowl, so I got a taller bowl and it was so much easier to mix. Okay, and here's what it looks like. For me, it is a nice creamy consistency. Okay, then you're going to take a cup and pour almost a full cup of milk, however much milk you really want, and then you're going to pour all that coffee into it. Okay, and after you pour it all in, you're going to mix it. Okay, and this is the final coffee. I just added some ice cubes. Thanks for watching.